Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to set up stock transfer godown-wise templates for multiple godown entries in Logic ERP. To begin, navigate to the Setup module from the main menu. Under Set Other Item Details, open the Set Stock Transfer Godown-wise Templates Multiple Godowns window. Here, define the template name, select the main godown from which the stock will be transferred, choose the season, and save the changes. Next, go to the Template plus Godown-wise Plan Quantity tab. Select the created template and choose the allocation type. Select the godowns where the stock needs to be transferred from the main godown. Then select the items and click on Refresh. You can define the value type either as quantity or percentage, depending on how you want to allocate the stock. We will understand both options one by one, starting with the quantity basis. Select the value type as quantity. Define the quantity. In this case, you can also set the priority for stock allocation for each godown. The priority you define here will determine the order in which stock is allocated. The godown with the highest priority will receive the stock first. For example, the godown assigned priority 1 will get the stock allocation first, while a godown with priority 10 will receive stock later, only if stock is still available after allocating to higher priority godowns. Once the priorities and quantities are defined, save the changes. You can also import the same data through Excel sheet. Click on Retrieve from External File option. An Excel help format is provided where you can review the required columns. You just have to browse the sheet from device and save the details. Next, go to the Inventory module and open the Stock Transfer Godown-wise Multiple Godowns window. Now, open the Configuration window. Here, you need to link the stock transfer template that was created earlier. Also, make sure to enable the option, Do not allow allocation more than planned quantity, so that the system restricts stock allocation beyond the defined planned quantity. Select the purchase voucher or challan and proceed to the item details section. Here, you will notice that the quantities are automatically allocated to the godowns based on the planned quantities defined in the template. The total quantity received in the purchase will be distributed among the selected godowns according to the defined priorities. Now let's understand the percentage value basis option. Again, select the godowns and items and click on Refresh to load the data. Choose the value type as percentage. Define the allocation percentage for each godown. The percentage you define here will be the basis on which the stock will be distributed among the selected godowns. Open the Stock Transfer Multiple Godowns window and choose the purchase entry. In the Item Details section, you can see that the total stock available in the main godown for the item is 24 units. Based on the defined percentage, the stock is automatically distributed among the selected godowns accordingly. You can also review or modify all these entries through the normal godown-wise transfer window. Open the voucher in Modify mode, where the system will display the list of all vouchers that were saved earlier. From here, you can select and review any voucher. Additionally, you can check the stock ledger report to view the stock transfer entries in the respective godowns and verify that the quantities have been transferred according to the defined plan.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.